I was once a very, very aggressive mom, and I would be so upset with myself because after it's happened, or even while it's happening, I'm like, oh my God, what am I doing? I don't like this. But what I've learned is that it has so much to do with alignment. First, we can have the awareness, but there also needs to be integration. I think what often ends up happening is that when I bring in awareness, I start to look at how other people are behaving, and I miss that part where I actually need to look at me. It's called self-development for a reason, not for me to self-develop and judge other people for how they're showing up. And I think we can get caught in that loop and not realize that we're not integrating the things that we're learning. We can use controlled words. We can be in a meeting and be very upset and say, I'm managing my emotion or have emotional mastery because I'm not reactive. But internally, how does that look when I leave a meeting and I don't feel heard? Who gets the brunt of that? Who ends up paying the price for that at the end of the day?